What's up, beautiful people? Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate you. You know I do. Girl, guess what? I have something to tell you. I need to let you know. So guess what? Your girl's gonna be in ATL this weekend. And I'm sure you already know what I'm about to say. I'm sure you can guess what I'm about to say. So I will be there at the World Natural Hair Show with Luster's Pink, okay? Yes, I will be hanging out at their booth, which is booth number 651 or 651 or 65, whatever way you want to say it. That's the booth I will be at. And I hope to see you there. I really want to meet you all, so don't play no games. Meet me at the booth. You feel me? Or there's gonna be problems, okay? But no, seriously, I do want to see you all in Atlanta if you are coming to the World Natural Hair Show. I'll leave all info down below about tickets and whatnot. I will be doing a giveaway as well. I'll be giving away my top 3 products, which you already saw in that video that I did do. So I'll be giving that away as well, which is pretty cool. And you can just learn a little bit more about the brand there. We can talk hair products. We can film, smell, whatever you want to do. Okay, so you can pick the right one for you. And also too, we get to chit chat. We get to chit chat, okay? I want to chit chat with my beautiful people. So I have to see you there. I do, okay? And even if you don't even catch me at the booth, if you see me walking around, out and about, say something to your girl. Even if I do look a little serious, it's probably just food. I'm probably just hungry. So don't even worry about that. Just come up to me, talk to me, chit chat with me, wherever you see me in Atlanta. I do want to see y'all. I do want to talk to y'all. So I'm super excited for this opportunity to collaborate with Luster's Pink at the World Natural Hair Show. I don't even know what I'm wearing yet. So I need to figure that out. I've been to a couple places, but I'm just like, what am I supposed to put on? And it's gonna be warm weather too. Y'all, I'm excited because I'm in Michigan. Y'all know I'm from Detroit, and it's cold. It don't make no sense. So to go to Atlanta, experience some warm weather, I'm very excited about that. So I'm about to have my shoulder out. I'm gonna have my shoulder out. Also too, I don't know how I want to do my hair, so leave some suggestions down below on how you think I should rock my hair during the World Natural Hair Show. Let your girl know. Trying to figure that out. Should it be twist out, braid out, perm rod set, flexi rod set? What should it be? Let me know. Give your suggestions. We have time. We have time to figure this out and flow. So come picture ready, come selfie ready, come posing ready. Come saying girl, whatever we gotta do to connect and meet. The World Natural Hair Show is this weekend in Atlanta, April 21st through the 22nd, and let's have some fun. I'll be there both days at the Luster's Pink booth, okay? So if you miss me one day, you may catch me on the second. I will see y'all there, and as always, I thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Peace, 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 peace. He brought me through tribulations, never let it go by, and I realized had not been for the lows on my side, the back was against the wall, they called for me. I don't know the words in the notes, honestly. I just like the song. I actually need to sit down and learn it. I was just guessing notes. So, you know. Okay. Anybody like that song? Let me know.